In this video, we're going to talk about the distance formula. The distance formula is actually an application of the Pythagorean Theorem. So we actually can use the Pythagorean Theorem to find distance, or we can just use this awesome thing called the distance formula. So the distance formula is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So in order to do this, I need to identify what each of these parts is. So I have here the question, what is the distance between 4, negative 2 and 6, negative 4? So this is what I'm going to call my first point. Here's what I'm going to call my second point. So the x value is the first value in each set of ordered pairs, so I'm going to underline those in blue. And the y value is the second the second coordinate of each point, and I'm going to underline that in green. So I am going to plug in what I know then. So what x sub 2 means is it means the second x value. So the second x value means I'm going to go to my second point and find the x value, 6, minus x sub 1 means the first point x value, 4. I'm going to square that plus y value. So what's the second point y value? Negative 4. Minus the y value in the first point, negative 2. Now I want you to look at something really close here. Notice that when I was plugging things into this distance formula, I wrote down the minus from the formula before I even looked at the coordinate. I did that because of some right here, this example right here. If I would have just wrote, okay, negative 4 and then, negative 2, so negative 4 minus negative 2. But that's not what it is. It's negative 4 minus a negative 2, which means those things become a positive. So when I simplify this, I get 2 squared, right, because 6 minus 4 is 2, plus, and then negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2 squared. So I've got 2 squared, which is 4, and negative 2 squared, which is also 4. The square root of 8. Then on my calculator, I would just take the square root of 8. So in this case, I do not have my nice graphing calculator, I just have my handy dandy phone. So I'm going to take the square root of 8. So how do I do that? I flip my phone sideways. Maybe. There it is. And I'm going to take the square root of 8, which is 2.83. So the distance between 4, negative 2 and 6, negative 4 is 2.83. So as long as you remember to always keep your formula in mind and remember that negative sign is not the negative from your point, you are going to be good to go.